Are you experiencing shin pain from getting back into running this season? I'm going to show you how you can use K-tape to treat shin splints. So to start, you're going to want 2 different lengths of K-tape, 1 longer and 2 shorter. You'll notice how we've rounded the edges, and this just helps to prevent any catching and helps it stay on longer. With your longest and first piece, you're going to rip off an end of the tape. Then you're going to identify where you're having most of your pain. For most people, this is just along the inner part of the shin. With that first piece, you're going to place it down with no stretch, just on the top of your foot here. Then you're going to peel back the middle portion of your tape, pull to have 100% stretch or fully stretched, and back off by about half for 50% stretch for this first piece. You're then going to just place that over that pain point that you've identified, and then the other end flat as well with no stretch. With one of your shorter pieces, you're going to do a similar thing where you'll rip off the end, this time going just below that pain point you've identified, no stretch through the first end, peeling back, and then this time you want about 80% stretch through this piece. So full stretch, back off a little bit, and then place it down flat, no stretch through the end. And the last piece is the exact same, this time just above that pain point. So placing it down flat, peeling back to about 80% stretch, and then no stretch through the end. If you want at the end, you can give it a little bit of friction so that it stays on better.